G'day everyone, Granny here. Today we're going to do step by step building a 48-sided circle. Building circles is fundamental to building domes, globes, kaleidoscopes, flying saucers, curved walls. You're limited by your imagination. The bigger the circle, the smoother the walls and the bigger the size. Step 1 is to build a 24-sided armature. You can skip ahead if you already know how to make one of these. We'll be using the wire glitch, which is using a wire to place an item. It might be helpful to take a screenshot of this so you can refer back to it. The tricky thing is the timing, which will vary on different platforms. You will need to practice that. The next thing is the reverse wire glitch, where we use a part to place a wire. Again, it is very useful to screenshot these because when you first start building, you can get a bit confused. All of this might seem overwhelming, but it's so worth it. It will change the way you play the game forever. So we'll do it one step at a time. Let's get started. I'm going to choose the stone floor panels, and I'm just going to put down a couple to begin with. Then choose the stone power door or alloy power door and place. Next we're going to use the reverse wire glitch to place a wire. Green state a floor panel from the build menu, press Q and place at the same time and connect that wire to the connection point at the top of the power door. Next we're going to delete the floor panel in front of the power door, like so, and then we're going to take another floor panel, green state it, Q and place at the same time, reverse wire glitch in other words. Pull the wire and join it to the bottom connection point that we created before, and this is what it should look like. Now delete the power door, which automatically deletes the diagonal wire. We're left with the bottom wire being perfectly flat and in perfect alignment. Now we're ready for the next phase of step 1. This is the hardest part of the whole build, believe it or not, and it will take a little bit of practice with your timing. Most importantly, take care not to glitch 2 floors in the same place, because that will make everything go skew-whiff later on. Open the build menu and select the floor panel. You'll notice that it's red and that means that it's in an invalid position, but we're going to press Q and put the cursor on the top connection point, and we're going to use this wire to place a part, which is a wire glitch, by pressing Q and place at the same time. Snap place a floor panel next to that one, like so. Then green state a floor panel as shown and Q and place at the same time, using the reverse wire glitch to create a wire which we pull to the central connection point. Then wire glitch, Q and place at the same time. Now we should have 2 floor panels blended beautifully together. Now take the triangle and snap place it as shown. Then green state a square floor panel as shown, reverse wire glitch, pull it to the centre, then wire glitch it to the central connection point. Repeat on the other side of the triangle, reverse wire glitch and wire glitch. Lovely. Here you can delete that first triangle if you want to. Then use the second triangle to repeat the process again. Delete the second triangle and voila! We have a 24-sided armature, which you can go on to make a 24-sided circle or use to create a 48-sided armature, which we're about to do. Snap place square floor panels, making sure that you don't miss any, like I nearly did there. When you have a semicircle, build outwards 2 more times. Then delete the inner floor panels around the armature and also delete the armature floor panels. being careful not to delete the wire. Place a floor panel as so, and reverse wire glitch, bringing the wire down to the bottom connection point, and wire glitch. Then delete that floor panel we just built off of to prevent confusion. And then it's just a matter of repeating the process. When you get to this point where you've got 2 floor tiles left, you'll notice that there's only one gap to fill on the armature. This happens because the first one we put in is on the same angle as that last one, so we don't need to do the last one. You can see I just did the second last one and it filled the circle in. And if you do put another one in, you will put another one on top of the first one and it will cause problems with your floor. That's what we should have. We've got the 48-sided armature, and I'm speeding everything up. When you've finished each round, make sure that you have actually got all the floor tiles put in. And away we go. And keep going, and you'll be able to see just how big this thing is. And again, and again, and last time. You may not want to do this for size, you might want to do it for complexity, like in a kaleidoscope, so you may not need to make it this big. But there you go, guys. There's lots of great videos out there on making these. However, as an educator, I know that we all have different ways in which we learn. So if this video doesn't suit you, then look at one of the other videos. Don't be put off. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Have fun. Catch you later.